realize this, the earlier every one of you realize it, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us.
This is where you want to use your life now.
Instead of you to do something for people, they build a military school with our money. Instead of this, they go Zingeru, they go this place. Now, if you road to go to a cannot day, you want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
Senator Ekpa!
Hi! What?
Oh, you knows my name! Shut up! I know the reason why you are here, Senator Ekpa. The reason why you are here has been revealed to me spiritually. But speak so my ears can listen.
Prophet. Prophet. I have been useless by women in this country.
Will you keep quiet?
I am unfortunate. They have eaten all my money. But they will not allow me to do anything.
No be juju be
They will scam me. Prophet. I need help. I need help. I cannot continue wasting money in this country without benefiting. Okay, for instance, the other day, riding on the road all alone. I want to go out, but there's no driver to drive my father's cars. If I teach you how to drive, what will you do for me? Babies! Babies! Young ladies! Babies! Hey, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Young ladies, I have settled it. You 600, you 400,000.
Thank you, sir.
Let there be no more
Fighting.
You stop what?
Fighting.
Can now follow me to my vehicle. Let's go and chop live.
Hey! Our senator. God bless you.
Thank you for
Thank you very much. Hey.
So you see, Prophet, I need help. I need help. I have not come till now.
Senator Ekpa,
My Prophet,
you will be delivered.
Amen.
Senator Ekpa, you will come.
I will come.
Senator Ekpa,
Yes, Prophet.
you will come.
I will come.
Senator Ekpa, shout come. Now come towards this side for deliverance. You have 12 evil spirits and you will receive 12 strokes of cane to chase each of them. You have to remove that gold watch from your hand, Senator Ekpa.
Who will want please?
These things are very expensive.
Wait.
Bring it so I can hold.
Just pray.
Senator Ekpa, let me have the walking stick.
You be mumu, you call other people.
Your arms over there.
They never show you say
If I flog you once, Senator Ekpa, you say, I will come. I
mumu man.
say, I will come.
Hey!
Be good day.
Don't you want to come?
Oh my God.
Will come. Senator Ekpa, don't you want to come?
Run. May God not allow them
Lenzi.
to kill you.
Where is he? Come and stand here. Let me flog you to death. I'm warning you today. That's how people collect the poor masses' money. Use it to be portraying women. There's even one gold watch, even. Nana, wow. It's even gold watch.
Think say they wise.
Come and stand here. Like I'm warning you today.
Useless good.
Run.
Hi guys, thank you very much for watching that video. Please, if you enjoyed yourself watching that video, please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, please. And one important thing, please turn on your post notification. It is very important so that you will know when we drop new videos. Trust me, from now we have new set of project coming. That is why we have been off for some time. We have a very big project we are working on, and trust me, you people are going to enjoy it. Please comment, like, share, turn on your post notification, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us get to 100,000 subscribers so that we will collect our silver medal. You understand? Please, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook at House of Lenzi. On Instagram, I am _Lenzi. just thank you very much. We love you guys, man. See you all next week. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please, you people should subscribe. Subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe. Tell another of your friends to tell their friends to subscribe.